Melanjutkan film sebelumnya, di mana Deadpool melakukan perjalanan waktu dan mulai menggali kuburan Wolverine.
That was weird. I've always wanted to ride with you, Logue. There's nothing that'll bring me back to life faster than a big bag of Marvel cash. Damn it! Wait! Throw out your weapons! There are 206 bones in the human body. 207 if I'm watching Gossip Girl. To be clear, I'm not proud of any of this. To help you understand that, I gotta take you back. Thank you, sir, for seeing me. Now, I know I was caught smasturbating in the lobby of Stark Towers, but I can assure you those toy Hulk hands, you ravaged the midsection.
I get it. Okay.
Yeah. I want to matter. I need to show my girl that I matter. Oh, look, I can see this isn't going well. I want to be an Avenger.
Avengers are a very unique group of superheroes.
What's your superpower? Is it parallel parking? I'm so sorry. That was cruel. I don't want to spend the rest of my life like an annoying one-trick pony.
Now, the problem might be that you're reaching a little too high. We'll keep an eye on you. Good luck.
When one door closes, your locker at work opens.
6 tahun kemudian, Deadpool telah pensiun dari pekerjaan tentara bayarannya dan sekarang bekerja sebagai konsultan penjualan mobil. Di tempat kerja, temannya Peter yang juga penggemar beratnya menyarankan agar dia kembali ke pekerjaan tentara bayarannya. Tapi Deadpool mengatakan kepadanya bahwa dia telah meninggalkan kehidupan itu dan ingin menjadi lebih baik membangun keluarga dengan Vanessa. Malam itu, saat pulang bersama Peter, Deadpool memperhatikan beberapa orang yang mencurigai, mengambil fotonya dan mengawasinya. Tapi karena itu hari ulang tahunnya, dia tidak menghiraukan mereka. Ketika dia memasuki apartemennya bersama Peter, mantan pacar Deadpool yaitu Vanessa dan semua teman dekatnya mengejutkannya dengan pesta ulang tahun.
Make any sales today?
You know I didn't.
I can't keep carrying you.
Relax. You watching anything good?
Great British Bake Off.
Hi, Yukio.
Hi, Wade. Oh, I got a promotion.
No way.
Hasn't gotten me shot yet.
Well, free spin around the moon is a new adventure indeed.
Son, dumbass.
Okay, round earther. But I'm happy because of each and every one of you. I'm the luckiest man alive. Can't see your eyes through the mask, but I can feel them. We're gonna move on down the hallway. Pegging isn't new for me, friendo, but it is for Disney.
You appear to have soiled yourself while unconscious.
I wasn't unconscious.
We're in charge of defending what's known as the sacred timeline. Walk with me. In fact, you've been chosen for a higher purpose from a possibly grisly fate sometime in the future, which may very well need to be avenged.
Cap.
You can be a hero among heroes.
Is that me? Is that Thor? Is he crying?
We believe you're ready now. Ready for a chance to leave your timeline.
I am Messiah. I am Marvel Jesus. I'm going to Disneyland. There is one thing I will need, though. It's perfect! Your tailor is a predator. Your underwear is getting tighter. That guy knows what I'm talking about.
I'm really glad you're taking this so well.
Zip me back home so I can let my friends know that they've been upgraded.
There will be no home to return to. This is your universe. See how it decays from the inside? This is how a reality dies. An anchor being is an entity of such vital importance. When they die, their whole world slowly withers.
I didn't die.
Can you imagine if you were the anchor being?
Yeah.
I am referring, of course, to the Wolverine.
This is what it feels like.
How long have we got?
In most cases, a couple of thousand years. We used to just prune these things. Simple, elegant.
What in the MacGuffin is that?
That's a time ripper. You see, I don't want to work for the TVA. I want to be the TVA. And the first step involves showing this organization how much more efficient it can become. You can either rejoin your loved ones and collectively cease to exist, or you join the sacred timeline. You can finally matter.
That's all I've ever really wanted. I'll do it. Which brings us back to this.
Logan was the only thing worth to ever come out of Canada.
Get my country's name out of your f***ing mouth.
I'm out here. Uh-oh, Richard. Oh, wow.
My country's name.
Out your mouth!
I'm going to, okay?
I'll see myself out.
Logan.
Who's asking?
Such a cute widow Wovie. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, yes, yes. You fought the Hulk in this outfit, no? You know, from behind, you look a little bit like Henry. Oh, my! The Cavalrine. Ooh, you have anchor being written all over you. I'm just I'm auditioning anchor beings. Oh. What in the... Are you okay?
You were just leaving.
Fate of my universe is at... I'm Marvel Jesus, you dull creature, and I will not... Yeah! It's gonna need some coconut oil.
Again.
Akhirnya, Deadpool berakhir di sebuah bar tempat dia menemukan Wolverine yang tampak sedang depresi dan terlihat mabuk. Deadpool memaksa Wolverine ini untuk bergabung dengannya sambil menodongkan senjata. Wolverine berdiri untuk melawan Deadpool, tetapi sebelum itu, dia menenggak sebotol whisky dan jatuh pingsan.
It's okay, keep going. Ooh, look at those jammies.
Deadpool kemudian membawa Wolverine kembali ke TVA dan memperkenalkannya kepada Paradox. Namun, Paradox memberitahu Deadpool bahwa dia telah membawa varian Wolverine terburuk yang tidak akan pernah bisa menjadi manusia bercakar dan buas. Paradox mengungkapkan bahwa Wolverine ini adalah kegagalan dan sangat mengecewakan dunianya sendiri. Tak lama kemudian, Wolverine sadar kembali dan sedikit kebingungan kenapa dia ada di sini. Deadpool lalu meminta solusi lain, tetapi Paradox mengingatkannya bahwa dia telah diberi pilihan sebelumnya dan tidak ada jalan keluar lain. Deadpool kemudian menyatakan bahwa dia akan berbicara dengan bos Paradox tentang situasi tersebut.
You sick fucks are doing down here, well, and I'm gonna tell them all about you. Don't just stand there, you ape. Give me a hand up. Nope, I'm actually okay, thank you very much. I heard all about you. Screwed up everything. Gotcha. I can fix it.
Fix what?
Whatever it is that you did, we get back there and we can fix your world together.
We fight each other, we lose.
Now that's a superhero landing. Who's they?
Stay close.
Aye, Captain.
You're not gonna love what happens next.
Avengers!
Flame on!
Sorry, what now?
We don't know that guy.
We thought we did.
Ready to die.
Good luck, I'm a huge fan.
The head of your precious queen, Furiosa!
Mereka kemudian ditangkap dan dibawa ke Cassandra. Dalam perjalanan, Johnny menjelaskan bahwa di kehampaan, orang-orang bekerja untuk Cassandra atau bersembunyi dari monster The Void di perbatasan. Johnny lebih lanjut mengungkapkan bahwa kehampaan adalah tempat pembuangan bagi mereka yang berbuat jahat terhadap multiverse. Tak lama kemudian, mereka tiba di markas Cassandra yang dibangun di dalam tubuh Ant-Man raksasa.
Oh, you must be this year's Jug. Hey, Chuck!
A Wolverine!
Cassandra Nova memperkenalkan dirinya sebagai saudara kembar Charles Xavier.
I have a good feeling about this.
Deadpool dengan sarkastis menyebutkan bahwa Johnny sudah memberitahu mereka tentang dia dan menyebut Cassandra sebagai kutukan.
You picked the wrong time to make new friends.
Oh, Johnny told us all about you.
Maybe shut up now.
Yeah, maybe
We're
don't.
just talking here. Yeah, Johnny told us you're a psychotic, megalomaniacal asshole. His words, not mine. Hell-bent on domination and pain.
You said all that about me.
No. No.
Like you said in the convoy, this finger-licking, dead-inside pixie slab of third-rate dime store nut milk can eat your delicious cinnamon ring.
Wait, I don't even know what half of that means. I don't.
You just got him killed.
Hey, we're all grieving! P.S. Do you know what he was doing to the budget? This may be hard to hear, but there's another British villain. Either you help us, or my friend here is gonna sing the entire second act of Music Man with zero warm-up.
Except maybe the Wolverine. We could be truly terrifying together.
Not good. Fingers are inside me, but not in a good way.
I've got you. I've got you.
I'm right here.
Then show me. You gotta do something. I know you're going through something. You're crazy matches my crazy.
Say, I don't want you. I don't want to be with you. Tell me that and I'll walk away. Say, I don't want you.
You'll never matter.
She never said that.
But I bet she thought it. The guy needs to eat and the rent is due.
Pervert! Go! I'm telling Blake.
Find the others, that poor kid Johnny was talking about, before you got him killed.
Poor kid, he's like 50.
I smell food.
Kemudian, mereka berhenti di sebuah kafe yang terbengkalai untuk makan. Wolverine yang sudah kecanduan alkohol lalu meminum sebotol alkohol gosok.
That liver.
Deadpool mencoba bertanya kepada Wolverine tentang masa lalunya, tetapi Wolverine menolak untuk menjawab. Deadpool kemudian berkata kalau di dunianya, Wolverine adalah pahlawan legendaris. Karena penasaran, Wolverine bertanya bagaimana dia meninggal di alam semesta Deadpool. Deadpool menjelaskan bahwa kekuatannya melemah dan dia meninggal saat menyelamatkan seorang gadis mutan dengan kemampuan yang mirip dengannya. Saat mereka melanjutkan perjalanan, Deadpool bertemu dengan versi anjing dirinya dan langsung ingin memeliharanya. Tepat saat itu, varian Deadpool lainnya tiba mengejar Dogpool.
Who are you? Everybody calls me Nice Pool. Are those gold-plated 50 caliber Desert Eagle pistoleros? Of course. Careful where you put your hand. She's 90% G-spot and she'll let you know it. Why are you so nice? It costs nothing to be kind. We're looking for a group of survivors. Oh, they're out there.
Do you know where it is?
It would be my honor. You're gonna have to give me my dog back, though. No! We're running away! If they could fix your world, what's the first thing you're gonna do when you get out of here? No!
You lied!
No, I made an educated wish! I don't know anything about saving worlds. You know how to save them.
One more word.
Gubernatorial.
You couldn't even save a relationship with a goddamn stripper. You got nothing to say, mouth?
Floor! You are Wonder...
Electra.
You look like the superhero version of Hawkeye.
The name's Remy Labo. They call me the Gambit. You know, we never had a Wolverine up in here.
And you thought you were retired.
Retarded.
Retired.
There's 4 of us.
There's 4. Wait, is it Magneto?
He's dead.
So who brought us here?
That would be me. Don't make me regret it.
Logan, that's her. That's X-23.
People like us don't go quietly. TVA knows that, so they took us out.
The only way out of the void is through her.
Every time one of us has gone up against her, they die. The Punisher, the Quicksilver, the Daredevil, even that sweet baby angel, Johnny Storm.
Whoever this Johnny fella is, I'm sure he's thriving. But you can avenge them. It's what Johnny would have wanted. He may have survived.
If he survived that.
Thank you, Dr. Wolverine. He was like a brother to me. If we can block her psychic powers, we can get a leg up. I know it.
Only other helmet that strong is Juggernaut.
Yes! Yes! Let this man cook! This is what I'm talking about.
We're doing this.
You're all dead.
My God, read the room.
Wolfram sedang depresi dan menolak untuk bergabung dengan mereka. Wolfram lebih memilih untuk fokus minum Amer. Laura mendekati Wolfram malam itu, menceritakan bagaimana Wolfram yang lain menyelamatkannya. Tapi Wolfram yang ini merasa tak berarti dan menjelaskan bagaimana dia mengecewakan dunianya. Laura mengingatkan Wolfram bahwa mereka akan menghadapi Cassandra esok hari. Dan tanpa Wolfram, mereka tidak akan berhasil. Namun Wolfram menolak untuk bergabung dan mengatakan bahwa ini bukan pertarungannya dan jika Laura percaya padanya, dia salah orang. Laura menjawab dengan mengatakan bahwa Wolfram selalu menjadi orang yang salah sampai akhirnya menjadi orang paling dibutuhkan di waktu yang tepat.
Wherever you think I am, you got the wrong guy.
Sementara itu, Piero, seorang informan Paradox, sedang berkomunikasi dengannya. Piero memberitahunya bahwa Deadpool dan Wolfram telah melarikan diri dari Cassandra dan bergabung dengan yang lain. Mengetahui itu, Paradox tidak ingin mengambil resiko. Paradox memberi Piero tugas untuk membunuh Cassandra sebelum dia atau siapapun memutuskan untuk melarikan diri dari kehampaan.
Mutants.
Keesokan paginya, Deadpool, Blade, dan timnya berkendara menuju markas Cassandra.
Up inside out.
What Gambit's trying to say.
Where'd he get that little beauty?
That's Punisher's.
You know how long I've been waiting for this? Woo, I'm about to make a name for myself here.
We'll make sure you get the package.
And we'll get our ending.
You two escaping I could live with, but coming back. Upsy daisy! What's going on in here?
I want to be the man that Charles thought I was.
I've got you.
I got you.
This is our only chance to fix our shit.
I know your brother. He would not let me stand here and watch you die. This is for Charles.
My brother loved you.
He loved all of us.
I have about 4 seconds before you're Elias' food.
Wade and I are a team, so I'll see he gets half the command.
It's Wolverine.
They're gonna make him do this till he's 90.
How much longer before the Time Ripper is active?
We're running the final safety check. Why was Thor crying?
Paradox. You come for the king.
You know she doesn't wash that hand.
I'm going to use your little time ripper, and I'm going to destroy this universe. Don't worry, I've called some friends to make sure we're not disturbed.
Cassandra membaca pikiran Paradox, mempelajari segala sesuatu tentang mesin itu. Cassandra memaksanya untuk mengaktifkan mesin tersebut. Sementara Deadpool dan Wolverine sadar kembali, mereka melihat sesuatu muncul dari portal. Yang mengejutkan mereka, itu adalah Dogpool dan ratusan Deadpool lainnya dengan versi yang berbeda. Saat Deadpool mencoba menyapa mereka, Deadpool malah dihujani peluru. Deadpool menggunakan N-Pool sebagai perisai untuk melindungi dirinya. Deadpool menyadari kalau N-Pool tidak memiliki kekuatan regenerasi.
Paralyzed. We all have problems. Listen to me.
You're gonna live.
Say it.
Sweet little puppy.
This is for him.
Are you ready?
I guess these ones regenerate. Wait, you guys know Peter?
Deadpool dan Wolverine menuju untuk menghadapi Paradox. Namun Paradox mengungkapkan bahwa mereka sudah terlambat. Time Reaper telah diaktifkan dan Cassandra sedang menyerap energinya. Setelah dia sepenuhnya menyerapnya, dia akan memiliki kekuatan untuk menghancurkan garis waktu dan tidak ada yang bisa menghentikannya. Namun, ada satu cara untuk mencegah hal ini. Seseorang perlu menggabungkan dua jalur kekuatan dari materi dan antimateri penghancur waktu untuk menciptakan korsleting. Tetapi siapapun yang melakukan ini akan hancur lebur sekecil atom. Mendengar ini, Deadpool dan Wolverine berdebat tentang siapa yang harus mengorbankan diri. Wolverine bersikeras bahwa dialah yang harus melakukannya karena Deadpool memiliki teman-teman untuk dia lindungi. Sedangkan Wolverine tidak punya siapa-siapa. Pada awalnya Deadpool tampak setuju, tetapi dalam gerakan tiba-tiba dia menguncil Wolverine di luar ruangan energi, memutuskan untuk mengambil resiko sendiri untuk menghentikan Cassandra dengan menyerap energi dan integritas garis waktu.
He's not gonna make it.
The Wolverine. He's a hero in my world.
Whoever you think I am, you got the wrong guy.
You were always the wrong guy. Till you weren't.
Wade, you can finally matter.
Vanessa.
First time in my life, I am proud to wear this suit.
We had some strange readings from this location.
She was here, and she fondled my brain. How did you let this happen? My men, I warned them that they would be completely obliterated.
He has risen, baby girl.
Found your new anchor being.
And we're doing just fine.
How are you two still alive?
Take it.
I was just doing what you don't have the guts to do!
And you shouldn't even be near this timeline.
Who's welcome?
Your universe is regenerating. I have a feeling your work is only just getting started.
Shawarma?
I could eat.
You know the Avengers discovered shawarma.
Oh, all is right in the world.
See you, bub.
Logan!
Pada akhirnya, Deadpool mengundang Wolverine untuk makan malam bersama teman-temannya. Di sana, atas saran Wolverine, Deadpool akhirnya mengakui perasaannya kepada Vanessa, mengatakan padanya bahwa dia melakukan semua ini untuknya. Mendengar ini, Vanessa memegang tangannya dan Deadpool berkata bahwa terkadang orang yang kita selamatkan akhirnya menyelamatkan kita juga. Dan film pun berakhir.